Hey, welcome to DC Apocalypse 2009. It is the blizzard. Hey, check out my suit. What do you think? I finally have a chance to wear it. So here, let me show you the snow. We have, oh gosh, we probably have 15 inches right now. I may be exaggerating that. They did plow some of our driveway. You can see the bushes over there. There's a guy down there still trying to dig his way out. We have a ton of snow. It is blowing, windy, nasty out here. It looks like we're going to be snowed in for at least a couple of days. So reporting live from Bethesda, Maryland, DC Apocalypse 2009. Cheers! Have a great day.